Yeah, so it turns out we're not even in a diner right now. We're in the basement of our latest 5-star listing.
Welcome to Rothbury Drive in Stonehenge, where we're going to show you the most awesome listing in 60 seconds or less.
This home is the epitome of colonial right here in Richmond, Virginia. From the kitchen to the dining room to every bedroom. This is luxury you can live in or shower in.
Speaking of luxury, this coffee bar is only 5 feet away here in the master bath. Every square inch of this home is utilized, period. So we know you love the details of the inside of this house, but did you know it's also located on a private 1.6 acre lot?
So be sure to check out this listing and others on teamhensley.com.